Nadia? Yeah, sorry, mic was mute. Okay, there was some error in the stream previously. Okay, so yes, we can see the progress for now. What we are facing now is, so we are in. What do you think, guys? Like, what do you suggest from here? What should I do? Should I wait for the pattern to shift from here, or there are chances for this one to come down somehow, but I don't know. I'm not sure. Hmm. Let's say it's going good so far, but let's see. Okay. Uh, the TP is actually I have just mentioned on the right mark, I must say. But what can we do from here is we can just wait and see if the trade is on the right move. Yeah, sometimes you get stuck at some mark, and that's where we are right now. Okay, let's see another pair for now. Let's talk about this one. Yeah, see, that could have hit our stop loss. So stop loss, if it would hit my stop loss, and see the entry point is right now the resistance point for now, I must say. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Hmm. What is it? Let's see the training view. And sorry, there are two indicators. 14. See, guys, the RSI for this period of time is in the favor uh, of opening the long position. But no, we are not just going to open any another position. Actually, let's wait and see. This one is just falling down again. My position is at 0.0096 and it's on 92, so we are stuck in this one, but maybe we will get a chance to close this one. I hope for the best. Hmm, it will not give me. Yeah, there's no. Even I cannot use this. There are sometimes the limit to open the position. You cannot use all of your capital in or to open the exchanges. Just limit you for specific amount of the trade for specific amount of the coin for specific coin actually. So just like that, I can use. Let's assume this one, and what I can use is I can just use uh, just $500 for this one. So I don't know what are their strategies. I cannot use all of my capital for this one. So yeah, this happens, and this is the part of it. Solo YouTube live stream is also working fine for now. It happened with me like multiple times. My stream just got stuck at some point. Pop out dashboard. What is that? Okay. All right. So we already have just made $70 today for now, and just wanted to make a more $50. So I just my target was to make just 1% of my portfolio today, but I think I would not be able to make $300 today. So just like that. Um, let's see. Let's see if we can or not. Cannot. What do you think, guys? Should I open the short position from here? If you see the 1 hour time frame, yes, it's a good in a good shape. For the 15 minutes, yes, it's asking me to open the short position in the 5 minutes also. Oh, I want this one to come to touch this point again so I can open the short position from this one. So let me open the short position of this coin and just wait and see if the trade shows us a good sign for this one. Let me quit. Okay, okay. Um, yeah, we are just getting a chance for opening a short position from here actually. What I will do is I am just allowed to use 5% of my $500 from my portfolio, which is very bad thing to understand. So okay, I'm just using 50% of it, which is $254. Just going to open the from here. So I am in the position right now, and just took the position following the RSI because the RSI in the broader aspect is in my favor. So we are opening a three positions now, and let's see if it goes right or wrong. And what I did is I just used 10x from the market. So 10x leverage is good. It's safe. You can just keep yourself safe. So lower the leverage. You of course lower the profit, but more in term of the safety of your of your capital. Yeah, it's good for you to open the to use small to make small profits and use small leverages. So that's the way you can just protect yourself. And where should I put my TP? That's the question. TP is if I wait for this much. No, I don't know if it can come to this price near so soon, but hope for the best. Let's see. Okay. So we are in a position and just $4. The previous one is just minus $5. So trades are just moving sideways. I am assuming that this coin should have to come down because the RSI is already just on the higher side. And the coin, and if you see the pattern of this coin for 1 hour time frame, so yeah, yeah, we can make a good profit from this one, and that's the 1 day time frame. And in the 1 day, let me remove these lines so this gives us a confusion. Sorry. What we need to understand is the movement. So the movement is in the favor, but see the 1 hour time frame. That's the 1 hour time frame candle. So it was a big candle. in the 15 minutes time frame. Yes. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's see if the trade goes right or wrong. If I put my stop loss for now to my break even, that will hit very quickly. So I just don't want to put the stop loss right now. I just want to make sure that it goes right. Mhm. Now, what we need to do is just wait and relax and see if it goes right or wrong. So my other trade is also in just moving around the break even. So my TP is already set. So what my strategy is, I use 1% of the portfolio and 1% for the DCA. So 2%, and I'm out. That's my strategy. Mhm. Let's see. Okay. That's nice. Okay, let's use this one. Meanwhile, let's do another thing. Hmm, okay, and sorry. So yes, we are in just moving around this position. It's a 5 minute time frame. Okay, let's make it for 1 minute time frame. Okay. Yes, I have a good hope for this one. I have seen a clear rejection from this mark. Uh, yeah, there is a rejection. That means there is a support resistance around here, somewhere around here. So that means if the price does not cross this line, then definitely for sure it's going to fall down. And the pattern is also in the favor. Um, how much profit should I take from it? Yeah, this is actually WET, USDT. Yeah, it's this pair. And you guys can see. I hope you guys can see. Yeah, this is the pair actually, you can see. Mm, what we need to do is to wait and see. For the short period of time, yes, it can come down a little bit, but not sure. We are just waiting. What we need to do is, what can we do is actually wait. We can just wait and see and enjoy doing some other stuff. The trade is in progress, and the other trade is also in positive side. This one, and if it's not falling down from here, then I should have to be worried about. But these small candles are not good sign actually. There is a rejection at this mark. That's a fair value gap in this candle actually. These candles. Okay, there is no. Yeah, it can cover that mark, but I'm not sure for now. I can put my stop loss to my break even now, but what I need to do is I just want to wait actually. What my strategy is, what my strategy is to do the DCA if would be needed, but not now. Yes, let's see. Okay, it's just moving along. So there's a sideways pattern now. I don't know if it's falling down because if we see the order book and the time frame, yes, 163, 162, 162 and 3, 4, 5. But I think in the longer aspect, we see that this can go a little bit up until 64, 63, 64, 163, 164. Mm, yeah, it can fall down from here actually. If we see the order book, yeah. Let's see. Let's see if it's falling down or just falling us down actually. uh, okay. Meanwhile, see the other pair. Wet is also in the same amount of positive side. So we can take $15 from this trade, or we can just wait to hit the $50. What I can do is I can put my stop loss somewhere around here, but just not going to do that for now. The stop loss is actually not realistic for now. I think stop loss should be, but then we cannot make good profit, but still making this $20. That's so much low amount of profit. Well, better than nothing. So that's the short term scalping. What we are doing is, let's assume. So what we want to make is like $300 now today. What do you think, guys? I think there are chances for this one to come a little bit down, but yeah, it can hit my TP. Mm, not sure for now, actually. Let's put my stop loss at break even. So that's the way we can be in a safe zone at least. So that's the way we can just be in a safe zone instead of just if something goes wrong. So still we are in the safe zone. Okay, okay, okay. So yes, we are waiting for this one to hit my TP at least. NH is not good. Yeah, it's just moving back. Um, Waiting is like, yeah, it gives you like sometimes you need to wait for a long period of time. Uh, but yeah, that's a part of it. Okay, what we need to do is to wait. Uh, let's close for now. Yes, let's close it. Okay. Okay, guys, what's going on with this one actually? Sorry. And we are. The coin truth is at the right mark for now actually. That's a good time to open this long position, but we are we already are in the trade, already stuck in the trade, but so for this one, yes, we have a good feeling for this one. Okay. It's just moving along like sidewise. I don't know. TP is at, I think it's very sensible. It's achievable on that mark, but it's just coming to this mark, this point, and just going back, came to this point and go back. I don't want this one to hit my SL. Let's resume. Let's remove the SL for now. What I will do is I will do DCA if it goes wrong, but still it's in positive side, but not sure how much positive it can be. What we need to do is just to grab small amount of profit. Don't. If we want to keep it continue for like intraday trade or maybe for the longer period of time, then yes, we can make a $50. But if something goes wrong, so then what can we do? Actually, I just wanted to perform the live trade. That's my real account, and yeah, guys, you guys can click on the link to join my community. There's a link in bio in description, so that's the way you can connect with me as well, and we can have more discussion. We can talk about more things related to trading, and there's a yeah. And there is another link in the description. You can click on that to join the Albank exchange, which is like very good exchange. I'm using it, and while clicking on that, when you register your account, you will be awarded $50 free, 50 USDT. That's free of cost for you guys if you click on the link and register your account with that. So that's the way you can just enjoy free $50. You can utilize that on futures trading, which is good for you guys. So you don't need to add your real money. Instead of you put your own money, you just enjoy free money. So yeah, it's a great opportunity. Just click on that and enjoy the free money given on behalf of my me. Yeah. Okay. What's going on? What's going on? Where's my TP? TP should be here. What just happened actually? Yeah, I think that's really realistic. And this $20. Yeah, maybe. Let's see. Mm. It's going on the wrong side. Why? Why, boy? Why? Why? Not giving me to grab my TP. Okay, what's going on? So market just shifting from. Okay, what about the BTC actually? Let's talk about BTC. Why? How can we forget to talk about BTC? Okay, so BTC is already on the 90,000 mark. Wow. So BTC has a good move. So as soon as mm, the holidays are going to be over, so BTC is just taking the pace to move a little bit up. There is a support at 90. Yeah, 90,000 is a good support, a good resistance actually for now, and the support should be around 86,000, somewhere around there, and somewhere around 86,500. So that's the support and that's the resistance. Resistance is like 90,000 and somewhere around 500, somewhere around there. Um, if it breaks that resistance, then BTC will, of course, next move is 100 k mark, and that's totally possible. And if it breaks the if it falls down, then and breaks down the 86,500 mark, then the next stop would be somewhere around 80,000 and 78,000, somewhere around there. So yeah, that's there is a chance for this one to go that bright that way. Okay. So what's happening with our trade is not 1 hour actually. We just want to see the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so 1 minute time frame is also in the. Okay, what's going on here? I assume that movement potentially that will hit my TP as well. Sure, it will. But maybe it will take a little bit more time. But yeah, that's achievable. I have just set the target very on the right mark. But anything can be happen. It's just a part of it. All right, guys. Sometimes it kills you. Like it takes more time to to close a trade, and you just stuck, just like. But it's not stuck actually. It's the beauty actually. You have to just wait and just be patient for some time to just take some amount of profits from the market, and see that was this coin was in positive of like, you know it went to $20 positive, but I just did not close this. I will do DCA, but if this one goes wrong somewhere around okay, how much I can utilize? Okay, we have a good backup margin for this one. Okay, my trade size is mm, my trade size is $300. I can do the DCA with $300, so 600 would be on stake. Yes, but I will do that if this one goes to minus $70, just like that. See, it's just minus, but let's see where it takes me. Okay. So technically, we have just made $70 today, not more than that. 70 and 20, yeah, $90. Yeah, we have made $90 today. Um, Actually, I just play very, very safe. So that's why I just made small amount of money. I can lose the small amount of money as well. So this pair, yeah, potentially it should have to come back. 80, 61. Mm, what's going on? What's going on? Okay, guys, there's a link in description. You guys just click on the link to subscribe my channel, and uh, you guys just can be a part of the community as well. So you guys just click on the link to join this community and be a part of it. So I just share a few live signals every day. So that's the way you can make money. But if you are new to crypto, just start doing with the demo accounts. So that's the way you just understand the market. Crypto is a very volatile market. This video is just for information and entertainment purposes. Do your own research before you start doing trading. So don't follow the trades I perform. Just do it by yourself first, and do your own research before you enter the market. And if you're new, and yeah, if you're old, then you know what to do. Okay, so we are. I am just waiting for the right mark. And what's going on here is trade is very in like this pump is very bad for. I will show you guys how to do the DCA and will close my trade as I did yesterday as well. So yeah, let me check if we can. Hello, Mr. Powar and Maxon Long. Hello, I just saw your message. Sorry. Okay, so I think we should wait for somehow long period of time, maybe for now, and do the DCA if the price will touch the mark of 0.168 somewhere. We have entered the position 0.163, 164, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 168 would be the right. So my price should be somewhere 165. Okay, yeah. 168 is a good mark. Meanwhile, what's going on with wet? See, it was just at my break even and just falling down. My TP is just $20, and I don't know if it hits the TP or not. because my position, my leverage is very short. So I just used how much the leverage is. Yeah, it's a very small amount of leverage. I think 10x. Yeah. Yes, 10x. I just used 10x. I could have used 50, 20x, 20x, 15x, but no problem. Okay. This empty wick is not a good sign actually. But let's see if it's a good sign or not. There is no big volume in this coin as well for now, and we have a chance for making some money in this one. Okay, so let's see this one where it's going. It's going up. Hmm. Doing the DCA from 0.165. Yeah, 165 is good price. Hmm. I'm just waiting for something big to be happen. Okay, let's see this trade actually. Yeah, this fall should have to. I don't know. That's not the big margin in my TP, but I don't know if there is big order blocks. Let me check the order book actually. Order book is like not much on the buyer side, but I don't know. Short positions always just gives me very bad feeling always. I think I should have to close this one. What do you think, guys? Okay. So it's on the break even almost. Let's assume. Yeah, I am trading open three positions. One is this one. You can see. I hope you can see on the left corner. And the other one is HUSDT. This one actually. I just got stuck in that. Oh, wow. I should not. I should have to follow the trend instead of following the RSA in this one actually. But no worries, I will do DCA if trade goes to minus 70%, which will be, yeah. Okay, okay, okay. That's bad actually. Hmm. Hmm. No worries. I don't have good feeling for this one, but I will do DC at 0.168. Yeah, that's my. Let's assume. Yeah, it's just going up for sure. Maybe a lot short period of time, maybe, but 60, 70, and yeah, 68 would be good, but I don't want to keep this trade for a long period of time. I think I should have to close this trade earlier instead of being stuck and keep it stuck for like days. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. DCA should have to be done around 0.168, not on this time. Yes, I can do it, but not sure should I have to do this right away or not. What do you think, guys? Should I do the DCA now to keep the price to 6164, somewhere around the 1643, something around there? But no, that's not good to be. Okay, let's keep it continue. Let it go for now and see this pair. Yeah, I have just set the target for just $20, but maybe it's just coming down and go back up, just coming down and go back up. I don't have good feeling for it. If I close this trade, I should have to make like I I will be able to make like $100 today. Yeah, I have made $100 today, almost. Yeah, but okay, okay. Just removing the TP and going to close it manually. And I am going to close this trade making just $15 from this trade. No worries. Just a big fall down on the downside. Let's see. Let's see if we can get something from this. Yeah, it's just stuck. I don't want to get stuck in another trade. I just want to close this trade, but at least $15. Yeah, that's achievable actually. Um. Okay, I just closed this trade for making just $11. I just want to make sure. Yeah, the truth is a has a good pushback, and our trade is stuck already. I will just Move my TP. TP. Where's my TP? Let's move my TP to break even. So that's the way we can just. I just missed the previous chance. Actually, I should have to just close this trade, but no worries. Still, we can close this trade. Yeah, there is a good opportunity, good chance for this one to come a little bit more up on the upside because this coin is already on the lower side. So yeah, there are chances. So 0.09639 is my entry point. Yeah, that's achievable actually. It went back to 0.096 something around there and just fall down. Just trying to push back. Yeah, I have a good feeling for this one. Moreover, the wrong trade this one. Why I always do that? Why should. No worries. We will close this one. Okay, okay, okay. So what's going on here is okay. Should I have to do the DCA from here? I don't know. I think I should have to keep it continue for a little bit long period of time, maybe. Let's see the movement. Okay, the movement is steadily moving up. So yeah, I just took the short position, which I just took the trade just following by the RSI, but this is what the 10% of the time I always mention. RSI is not always the 100% right, but 99% 90% of my trades goes well ever. But this one is I just took the sell short position from that mark, and we'll do the DCA. No worries. I just used 1% of my portfolio to open the position, and 1% is opening a position with $300. No worries. I will do DCA later on, but not now. Yes, what my target was to make 1% of my capital today, but 88273. Sorry, I did not understand. 88273 is uh, the price is actually now is 0.165. You're talking about truth or HUSDT? I'm just talking about this pair actually. Yeah, this one should have to actually. My assessment was also that this one should have to come down, but 0.016. I just entered the position with 0.016347. That was my entry point, and it's moving along 0.166. But this coin has a very big volatile movement. It gives you sometimes very big panics. So yeah, I am just trading this pair from last 3 months, almost daily. So yeah. No, it's not BTC. It's USDT. It's a meme coin actually. This is the pair actually, if you see. Yeah, BTC will fall off. Definitely, BTC has uh, a good resistance at somewhere around 90,000 and 500, somewhere around there, as per my assessment. And if it crosses that mark, it will, in the next stop would be definitely somewhere near around 100K. And the support, uh, first support is around 86,500 on the BTC. Yeah. Oh, no, no, no worries. That's right. That's right. First resistance is 90K, 90K somewhere around there, yeah. And second is 92. That's right. I understand. But big, but yeah, 85, 86 somewhere around there. First support should be somewhere around 86,500 to be exact. And that's where it's just hovering around from last few days. And yeah. So what pairs do you trade preferably? I preferably use meme coins, so that gives good, good money sometimes. Most of the times, actually. Oh, okay. So, what do you suggest about gold? Actually, as per my understanding, I was just discussing earlier. Somebody was asking me again. So, since our childhood, we are just expecting the gold will fall down someday. The gold will fall down someday. And now I spent more than half of my life, but the gold is just moving up. So yeah, for the short period of time, it's already on near to all time high. But as per my understanding, maybe will fall down a little bit. But yeah, yeah, that's right, that's right. It's very unpredictable. It was not expected to be, but I don't know why it's going up. We were just expecting like the previous all time high, like few days back, was the max, but yeah, it just went back up again and took a lot of traders with it. Yeah, that's right, that's right. I understand. Gold is very unpredictable for nowadays. Actually, gold, silver, they are just moving crazily, crazily. Yeah. And actually, this pair, the pair I'm just following, I'm just performing the trade from last, I think, 3 months. I have made good profit in this pair. Yeah. So why BTC on weekends? Like weekends are, it's just moving like previously, like you're talking about gold. Yeah, it happened with me like last week. I opened the short position in gold, and of course market was closed on Friday, and my position was stuck, and gold went up, and I had to close my position on in a big loss. But yeah, I made money from the market. I gave back a little bit amount to the market back. So yeah, I understand. I understand. That's right. uh, for this one. So, what's your expertise says? Like, what do you think? Like, gold will open in downside, or maybe go a little bit more up? Mm, let me check if somebody. Okay. This one is just going up, maybe. I'm not sure. Gold just made like people crazy. Like I know few of my friends who are making very good profit. Even they last week was good. They opened the short positions and just like me, and gold went back up to again all time high. So yeah, that was crazy actually. We were not expecting the gold to go that much high again, and just came back to that mark again where our entry point was, even more on the lower side. But we had to close, like we were just scared, like okay, let's close it. It's very volatile. We cannot judge like it's coming down or go back up, and more all-time highs. So yeah, it happens. It's the volatile market. That's right. Okay, two of our trades are just on the risk. Yes. What we will do is do DCA, but that's not the right mark. I will do DCA at 0.168 to move my price. Hmm. Okay, for now, what should I do? Should I wait? Yes, I think wait is the only option in this. And I already have made $100 today. Yes. Okay, that's good. Not bad, but not and not as much as I expected. But yeah, it's the part of it. Okay, one more thing I can do is 167, 165, 163. One more thing I do is I when I do DCA and but it one thing just happens, like you double your position size. So if the price moves more up, then yes, uh, the more liquidity will be near. So I do is when the price comes to my break even, I close half of the position sometimes, not all of the times, but sometimes if I make sure, like if the price is going in my favor, so just I just keep it continue. But if there is a doubt somewhere around there, so I just do close half of the position. And if the price goes against that on the wrong side, I do the DC again. So I just reduce the price or increase the price again. So that's the beauty of DCA. But from where to at what mark you have to do the DCA, that's the critical understanding. So yes. Okay. Mm, okay, guys. What we're going to do is to just wait and see the price. Let's let it go up maybe, but I'm not sure if it's going up. It should go up. If it goes up, I will do DCA to just move my price somewhere around there so I can close half of my position at least. Or I should have to wait for maybe just like yesterday, the trade is stuck and we are just stuck. Oh well, it happens. That's the crypto. That's what we call the volatile market. Mm. Okay, 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 okay. Mm. So right now, the moment is um, these moments are just a sign that it can come a little bit down more and going back up again. And if it goes back on the top side, on the upside, I will do DCA because I am not in the favor of opening the short position because these kind of coins, which are meme coins, are already on the lower side of their prices. We should have to open the long positions always. But well, that's a part of it. Sometimes you make good decisions, sometimes you make bad decisions. So yeah, this happens. And yeah, guys, there is a link in description in bio. You can just click on the link to join the community and be a part of community. We are just building a community to learn and earn together. So yeah, and let's see if we are 65, 66, 66, 65, 4. Oh, okay. Okay, so let's see what happened with the other one, the wet, the trade we have just closed already with the $10. See, my TP was there actually, but yeah, that's it. No worries. We still have made something at least. If we do the back test from here, yes, there are chances for this one to come a little bit more down. But in the longer aspect, if we see that, mm, yeah, for sure it will go up because it's this one is already on the lower side. It's a new coin actually. It's newly launched on exchanges, and potentially, yeah. But if it falls down, so what can we do? We will be in trouble. So try to avoid such kind of coins actually. So these can just throw you away from the market. So just be safe, guys. And yeah, if you are new to crypto, yeah, Ajaz, actually, I just preferably use RSI. 90% of my trade goes well actually because for the short term scalping, it's a very good indicator. But if you get stuck, then of course you are stuck. What can we do? I just preferably use RSI. So it's a good indicator. Like it gives you good clarity. But for short term scalping, my benchmark is to open the long position is below 20, and to opening a short position is above 80, 80, 85, somewhere around there. Because we are just doing the short term scalping, so that's the way actually we can just save ourselves. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much for being a part of live session, Ejaz. Thank you. So, do you also trade, or what do you do? Thanks. Great. Yeah, just keep doing it. Just make profits. I know there are a lot of people in my community. They are in losses. So, previous 2 years when I started trading, 2 years was like very critical for me. Even I quit like multiple times trading. So, but then just made a very like critical kind of strategy. So now I'm just following it and just trying to be safe. Since last year, I just saved my portfolio at least. Never got liquidated. Ah, okay, okay, okay. I understand. Yeah, gold is good, but very volatile. One guy, we were already discussing, the gold is very volatile, so it's very risky nowadays. Actually, I booked a short position and lost last week when it went it after touching the all time high. So I opened a short position, just very small lot, but I just lost like I think $500 in that. So yeah, it's very. Oh, okay, okay, okay. I understand. Okay, XVT. Okay. Yeah, but yeah. What can we so what can we do? But yeah, but the gold already was touched on all time high. We were just expecting like it's not now. It's the time for this one to fall down, but it went back up again on all time high again. So, and after touching the all time high again, it just went back to same price like yesterday, 2 days back. So we were just me and my one of my friend we were just laughing at ourselves like what have we done? We should have to add some of money to just increase the liquidity, but well, it happens. It's a part of it. If our yeah, it's our trades were not closed in negative, so we would be in. Oh, okay, okay, great, great. Yeah. uh yeah, just I always suggest people to start with small amounts. Yeah, don't add like big money. Just start using like $100, maybe $10. Start with $10. Not too bad like $100 or $1,000. Initially, when I just started futures like 3 years back almost. I just added like $10 and it went away, and I was just trying to make like $10 multiplied by $10. So I just wanted to make $100 using $10. So which is like 100, like 1,000% of my portfolio. So that's the wrong approach. That was actually the wrong approach. What we need to do is we have to just understand, okay, what amount. Yeah, well, it's a good thing actually. Just try to just grab small instead of making big. I must say you should like work on the percentage of your capital instead of making dollars. So because let's assume like if you have used $10 and you want to make $5 out of it, that means you want 50% of your capital in just one trade, which is achievable actually. It's not that tough, but that's risky actually. If it goes wrong, it wipes away like in the nick of time. So yeah, it happens. I opened the gold position like I think uh, just one position, and that was short position, and yeah, 0.001, what do you call that? Yeah, pips, and it just went wrong, and of course we cannot do DCA in gold, so I opened another position when my position went back to like I was expecting like okay, this is already on the top of the price, but my two positions were open and it just went away like in flash of time. So, so yeah, it happens. Okay. Since last year, actually, I have gained a good profit. Yeah, it's better to like afford, or you can afford like small amounts to lose. Of course, it's understandable because yeah, we we are human and we are in greed to make money, and just don't want to use big money to make big money. But since last year, I have made a good strategy for myself. Actually, I should have to tell you, I just use 1% of my portfolio and to open a trade, and 1% to keep as a DCA amount. So I can afford to lose 2% of my capital actually. So that's the way I just gradually increased my portfolio. I started with $100, and now I am like in 10 thousands of my portfolio. So I just gradually increased my portfolio, and yeah, and compound the profits. And one more thing, I always suggest people, if you are just new to trading, and just when if you add some money in your account, just if you doubles it, just take away your capital from the market. So that's the way at least you save your money. What if something goes wrong, and if you wipes out if it wipes out your accounts, at least only the time will be like will be borne. But I must say that's the way you learn actually. So you are still in like profit. So that's the way I do actually. So now gradually I just increase. Now previously I were my target, because my account was very small, so I just started doing with like I just try to make 10% of every day, because initially I just using $100, I try to make $10, which was very 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 like achievable. And we do it, and we did it. Like I used 50x of trades. Then I just realized, okay, then no, 10% of the capital gain is a very good gain in just a day. Actually, people just try to make in a month, and we are just trying to get in a day. So which is very good actually. So then I have just decreased it to like 1 or 2% of my portfolio. So which is already very good amount. Like sometimes I make 500, sometimes I make 300. So 1% is good, 2% is good. Yeah. And sometimes some money I add compound to my capital, and some of them that I try to take it out for my leisure activities and stuff for my use. So yeah, that's the strategy I used to follow now, and it's good actually. And I have closed like maybe multiple times in negative trades, but yeah, okay, that's the profit I've made from the market. Okay, not every day is profitable, so yeah, that's what happens. It's very volatile market. It's your strategy how you follow. Like these two trades are stuck, but of course I have a good hope for these two, and this one will be very. And if I don't have a good feeling for any trade, I just try to close that on break even as well sometimes. So that's the way I just keep my mind in peace, which is very necessary part of trading actually. So yes. Hmm. So what's going on here is okay. Thank you so much for being a part of my community, Jazz. Thank you so much. It's really nice talking with you. Yeah, sure. We will definitely. You can just text me. You can just comment me in any section. So yes, we can just talk again. Have a good learning. Enjoy your day. Okay, so yes, we are stuck at this mark. Um, what should I do actually? If I would have do DCA here, I would be in profit. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, we will. We will. I want to do the DCA. I just wanted to do the DCA, but never got the chance to do the DCA. If I do DCA now, no, not now actually. Okay, okay. Let's do DCA. Should I do DCA now? Hmm. Okay, what should I do? DCA. If I do DCA from here, the price would be here. That's achievable, but the momentum, there's a risk, of course. Hmm. Let's do a little bit back test from here. There is a chance for this one to at least come to my break even, but what can we do is doing DCA would be not at least this mark actually. That's where it tests our patience. Uh, that's I learned in 3 years of my trading actually. Never do hurry. And if I will do DCA here, the price would be somewhere around here. That's achievable actually, but I will not do it. I have patience. After losing a lot of money, started making a lot of money. Now I have a patience, so I understand okay how to do the DCA now. So now I will wait. My trade is just like 14% negative, so that's not big actually. So let's wait and see if yes. See if I would have to DCA, the price would be somewhere around that's 65.10, 63.47 is my entry. So somewhere around 64, 164. So yeah, that's very achievable. But I have not done my DCA. I will not do DCA at least minus 14% of my trade. I will do DCA if my trade goes wrong to 70% minus 70% almost. Then I can do DCA so that my price I can move my price to the near. But yeah, you need to just check the support and resistance as well, and sometimes. So yes. Okay. So what's going on here is my YouTube live? Let me check. Yes, it's live already. Okay, 1 hour. Okay, so what can we do from here is we can wait and see. The price is just moving along and we are stuck. I will do DC at 168, 0.168. And the price went to 0.16719. So it was just near to my DCA, but I just did not do the DCA because of, you know, I will not do it at this mark at least. And for let's talk about another pair actually. Yeah, let's talk about this one actually. Oh wow, we could have make like good profit. Yeah. Okay, guys. So what we are going to do is okay. So if you guys see this one actually, we just closed the trade at this mark, and I just did hurry. Yeah, of course, that's a part of it, and I could have make like 50, $60 from this trade, but that's the beauty. If you are not making it, then you're losing it, of course. Okay, okay, okay. So yes. Hmm. So what's going on here? Hmm. 16544. Not 165. It's not the good time to do DCA. Yes, I can do DCA, but I will not do that for now at least. We can do 166. We can do the DC at 166 as well, but on the market price, let me check. Our position size is $300, but okay. See, guys, I have just done the DCA, so the price just moved to this position, so that's now achievable. My position size is increased to $643. That's the money I can afford to lose actually, for now at least. And my entry price is this, and my TP, what should be my TP? Where did I just put my TP? Oh, $170. Yes, I can make it, but now I will wait. You guys will witness this one actually. सही नहीं करो. And let's see. If the price comes to this point, 16458, I can close half of my position. So, uh, not reverse. So let's see how much strong this can be. This one is just falling down again, but for sure it will go up. Sorry, I have a sore throat. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, this was at what time? 9:57. There was a time actually I could have closed my position. But no worries, we will wait and see. I will show you guys this position, how I close this position at least. Um I think let's see the 1 hour time frame for this one. Yeah, 1 hour time frame is actually not so much in favor. Okay, let's keep it continue for now. The RSI is in the okay, let's wait and see. Oh, the price just went back up. And that's where I just wanted to do the DCA, but I did a little bit hurry again, and it's 168. I want to do the DCA to one at 168. Okay, let's do the DCA. Price just moved a little bit of 16531. It's 15x. Okay, let's see. The liquidity is 53. Oh. Instead of making this money, we are losing money. Well, this happens. No worries. We are in a bad shape now. See, these kind of movements are just taking your. So my loss is $500 if I would not be able to make some profit from this trade. But yes, okay. I am losing some money, I think. Let me check. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. So it's stuck, and we are stuck in an other trade. Yeah, that happens. So this is what's going to be happen with me again. No, why I did DCA? Oh, I was live. I am so you guys can witness in a live session. I am stuck in a trade. So yeah, that happens. Well, no worries. So my loss I can afford to lose is $600. So that's what I can afford to lose. Okay, no worries. TP. Let's put the TP somewhere. It's not coming back to this price so near soon. If we see the 1 hour time frame, yes, not so early. Maybe it will take some time to come back to this price, but we are stuck. Yeah, if we are making money, yes, we are losing money on the other side as well. Yes, so now it's the sign. Okay, 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 okay. And what's going on here is we are just going to. I am just going to see if the price is going up. And what else can we do actually? So we are here at this position now. Okay, go a little bit down, boy. Okay, no worries. Okay, and the price of this coin. Okay, let's keep it continue maybe for the longer period of time now. We are stuck in again, and we have. I will set the stop loss to -$600, which is okay. Maybe I will close it on manually, what I have decided actually. So yes, And this one is for sure going up, but can we make this much money from here? Yes, that's possible. Sorry guys. Okay, so okay guys, so yes, we are okay. So for now, yeah, the price is just moving in the favor. Maybe it will come down a little bit. Yeah. So I will close the trade. I think that session is just going to be so long. So I will share you the the progress of this trade tomorrow. And I think we should have to close the session here because the session is just going to be too long for now. So I am just going to close the session and the session, and we'll tell you about this one where it will go. 163, 165. I will close. I have just TP at 16. Sorry, 16343. Okay, yeah, it will come to that mark for sure. Okay, guys. Have a great day. Have a great trading day. Today, the day was not in my favor actually. Yesterday was also not my favor, but yeah, it happens. It's a part of it. So that's where you decide how much profit and loss you can afford to lose. All right, guys. Have a great day. Enjoy your weekends and vacations and the holidays. See you guys tomorrow, and we'll make another strategy to see how to perform the trades. Okay. Have a great day. See you. Bye bye. So I just closed my live session from TikTok and just waiting to see. Okay, I just want this session. Yeah, today's the day we are not in a good shape. Well, that's a part of it. Okay, so technically we are just losing some money today, but no worries at all. Uh, we will make some. And for now, let me check another thing. If, Hmm, all right, guys, stay with me. I am just going to. Okay. Okay, so it's just because of yeah, the BTCs are not. Yes, yes, and mhm, and I must say, righteous one. Okay, one, three, yes. So yes, we are. So that's the way we can. 53. Okay, so guys, we are just this one actually. This coin has a potential to go up, but not so soon, maybe. Okay, so let's keep it continue. We'll try to close this trade tomorrow again. I will show you guys if we would be able to close this one in profit as well. So that's all for today. I will come live again tomorrow, hopefully, and we'll continue the session again. So, see you guys tomorrow. Have a great weekend. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.